Hello, everybody. Welcome back. I know it's been a minute since I posted some new content. For those who don't know, I am currently in Freeport, Bahamas. I am teaching two classes, a class on Intro to React, and also an advanced class, which is React with Ionic Framework. As part of the classes, I need to teach these folks about building some applications, and so one of the applications I'm building, I've kind of scaffolded out here. And the basic concept of this application, when it's all done, it will be what I'm calling a yard sale app. It will allow the person to log in, so we can log in. They'll have an account page, where on the account page, there'll be some user information here. When you click this, it'll give a listing of any items that the person is trying to sell. Down here on my messages, what will happen is if someone has liked an item that you're trying to sell, the screen will basically be a chat screen. And what else do we got? Well, yeah, obviously you need to add your items. So this add item screen, once again, this is a placeholder. What we're going to place here is you'll have the ability to upload a couple of images. So we'll get to use some of the capacitor components to upload images. You'll enter information on the item, so price, description, and things of that sort. We'll use some React hook forms to kind of validate that form before you enter it. And then on the bottom, we'll integrate Google Maps. So you'll be able to have a pinpoint, kind of like anyone who's seen Craigslist or anything like that. It'll kind of show you the general area of where you can access the item. And so through the process of building this application, we'll touch on a bunch of stuff. I've already integrated a protected route to show you how to control access to routes. If we go back a little bit further, we can see that I've integrated an authentication provider. So we'll get to take a look at how you can use context. So I have the basic framework in place for managing context here, where we keep track of the user and the user's login state. Like I said, first of all, you can see this is running in Capacitor. I'm using the latest version of Capacitor, so we'll get to see the application running on a native device. And I'll also deploy it on Android, so you can see it running on Android and iOS. So this is just the kind of intro to what this project will be. It's a relatively short video. But what I intend on doing is, as I start to touch on the topics in the class, after I touch on the topics in the class, I'll record a brief video kind of going through what we discussed in the class. We'll post the source code, and I'll walk through the source code with you. So the idea is that you don't have to sit and stare at me type everything as I'm building the application, but we'll step by step build out an application, talk about key concepts in building mobile applications using Ionic, and also talk about how to use React with Ionic. If this is something you enjoy, please make sure you like and subscribe. And as I push the videos, check them out. I should be pushing at least one video a week. As I said, I'm going to try and keep them short, direct and to the point, and hope you enjoy it. If there's anything else you'd like to see, please be sure to see a message. Also, while you're here, check out some other content that I have. I had in the past generated a bunch of Vue content since I'm teaching React course for the next 5 weeks. And my mind will be on React, so most of the content that I'm going to push out is going to be on React. So once again, thanks a lot for stopping by, and I'll see you next time. Bye.